Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how to make broken text in Canva. So let's add a new page and click the letter T, and I will enter in broken. We can resize it, make it bigger. We can change its color to white, so go to the top menu and change its color to white. Now click on the background, go to colors and make background black. So we have our word. Now let's go to the elements and search for wall crack and choose graphics, and the first one is already free, wall crack. We can click on it, click right button and bring it to front, and now we can just play with it, duplicate, click Ctrl D, and we can crack our letters. So the first way, when we choosing from elements, wall crack, and we can broke our letters. Now we can group it, rotate, resize, and etc. And the other way, we can duplicate the slide, and now we can go to pngaaa.com, and here we can search for cracked broken wall. A link you will find in the description, and click free downloads and download it. And click download, and now we can just take it from our files and drag it to Canva page. And here you go. Now click on our page, click right button and bring it to front. And here you go. We have broken text in Canva. If you like this tutorial, click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.